Good morning everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Umbria, in the central part of our country. We are immersed in the hills in the middle of the countryside with total silence and privacy. And we are about to visit together a wonderful country house that has been converted into an agriturismo. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The location is excellent. We are just 10 minutes drive to the beautiful town of Umbertide, 20 minutes to Città di Castello and 30 minutes to Perugia and its airport. One aspect about this property that is very positive is not only that it is immersed in the countryside, but at the same time it is very well connected. The road is completely paved and it is a very easy access to the main road that connects to Umbertide. The land of the property is about 11.8 hectares, which equals to approximately 30 acres in outdoor space. There are 140 olive trees that produce excellent olive oil, and they are mostly all around the swimming pool area where we are now. The pool right now is covered because we are in the winter time. However, it is a beautiful pool of 12 by 6 meters overlooking the spectacular Umbria view. Right behind me and right beside the country house, we find this building, which is used at the moment for a storage or for a workshop. But if you open a central wall that separates the two rooms, you could create a spacious garage. It is 30 square meters, so about 350 square feet. Let's talk about the actual farmhouse. It is 450 square meters in internal space, which equals to about 4,800 square feet. It has a total of 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. And as I mentioned to you earlier, it is used at the moment as an agriturismo. So it is divided into 4 apartments and the owners live in one of them, while they rent out short-term the other 3. Let's begin with the first one. Welcome inside the ground floor of the farmhouse. We're now in the main and largest apartment out of 4. This is on the ground floor and this is the largest room. It is beautifully finished with exposed stone on all 4 sides. We have terracotta on the floor and wooden beams on the ceiling. As you can see, it is a spacious room to gather all together. There is a beautiful large table to eat together with your friends and with your family. And on this side we have a woodworking fireplace that can be for making this room even cozier, or as well can be used as a barbecue. We have a dining on this side, while on the other section we find a comfortable sitting space also with a piano. Up the stairs we find the large kitchen, which is professional and finished with steel. On the left side we also find the bathroom that serves the common areas, and then there are the 3 bedrooms and the rest of the bathrooms that are 2. We are now on the first floor. These apartments have an independent access that connects 2 units. This is the second one after the main one we've seen. It has a nice and spacious dining area that is also a sitting space. This is the main room with the kitchen in the corner with a beautiful marble top and windows on 2 sides, so it's full of natural light. Then as we keep going, we find the rest of the spaces with a bathroom over there with shower, and in the end the 2 bedrooms. So this is ideal to be rented to perhaps either 2 couples or a couple with kids. Right next to the second apartment we find the third one, which is very particular with this large column finished with bricks. This is the living area with a sitting space and a dining area. Then on this side we have the kitchen in the same style as the second one, with beautiful marble top and steel finishes. Let's have a look at the bedroom. This is a one-bedroom apartment. It is nice and bright with windows on two sides, and it has its spacious bathroom right beside. I love the fourth unit's entrance, which is very unique because as you get on top you have this nice terrace that overlooks the countryside, and it's excellent for a morning coffee. Let's see it inside. Also here we have a spacious living area that takes up nearly the whole width of the house. Terracotta floors, this is the dining space with a corner marble top kitchen. Also here is full of natural light with three large openings on three sides. Let's see the bedroom. Here we have the bedroom, nice and spacious, with a window overlooking in the countryside. Three walls are painted with this cream white, which is very traditional of this type of country home, while the last wall is finished with these exposed bricks that gives it a nice rustic look. Behind this wall, from here, we access to the large bathroom of the bedroom. And in front of this magical view, we are closing today's property tour. I hope you have enjoyed it. I think this home is suitable either for somebody that would like to do the same kind of business that the owners are doing, so live in one of the apartments and rent out the rest and live in the countryside with animals and immersed in nature. Otherwise, this can be very useful to be two friends or two groups of families that can live and use the property together and enjoy this beautiful location. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!